C is a cat who purrs and curls up tight. D is a dog who wags his tail with delight. Alphabet fun learning is easy. Every letter has a story to please. From A to Z, come and play, learning alphabet every single day. E is an elephant, big and gray. F is a fish who swims in the bay. G is a goat who climbs the hill. H is a house where love and laughter fill. Alphabet fun learning is easy. Every letter has a story to please. From A to Z, come and play, learning alphabet every single day. E is an igloo, cold and icy blue. J is a jacket to keep you warm and new. K is a kite that flies so high. L is a lion with a mighty roar inside. Alphabet fun learning is easy. Every letter has a story to please. From A to Z, come and play, learning alphabet every single day. M is a mouse who scurries round. N is a nest where birds are found. O is an ocean, vast and wide. P is a penguin who waddles with pride. Q is a queen with a crown so bright. R is a robot who shines with delight. S is a sun who shines so bold. T is a tiger with stripes of gold. Alphabet fun learning is easy. Every letter has a story to please. From A to Z, come and play, learning alphabet every single day. X is the X-ray, Y is a yellow ray. Z is a zebra who runs and plays. Now you've learned from A to Z, alphabet fun, it's easy as can be.